Hey, hi. So basically, your purpose system is completed. Okay, like पूरा हो गया है. So first of all, we'll go stepwise. Okay, so there are multiple applications are there. Okay, one is a Android application, normal e-commerce application. Second one is software, ML based software, as we decided for the digital locker, right? And there is a one IoT device. Okay, so there are three applications. So there is an application. So it is nothing but I have made it like कि अदर कि तुम शॉपिंग कार्ट से विद द हेल्प ऑफ IoT डिवाइस जो हमारे टैग से उससे भी शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं इन जनरल जो हमें अगर हमें जनरल शॉपिंग करना है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वी कैन डू ओके so first you need to do a registration whether admin or customer. I have given two platform admin as well as customer. So first I'll show you the admin part. So go to admin, just type credential and just hit enter. Admin pass 123 or 1234 is password. Okay. So there are multiple options. Add card item. Okay, you can add new product as well as if you want to check the list of products, so you can check. So there are three different products are there. Okay, you can delete and do anything. Okay, and there is a accept order functionality is there. Okay, so you can accept the customer order or reject. Okay, accordingly, and in the view rating you can have the ratings which is given by customer. Okay, so let's go to the user platform. Okay, so this is a user module, so you need to do a registration. So this is a home screen, so you can simply add to card and you can go to your card and you can do a checkout. Okay, just enter the address and just confirm order. Okay, so it will goes into the pending order. Okay, like that. So this way you can do normal checkout and normal e-commerce platform integration. Okay, so the novelty which we have added the RFID card based shopping, right? Automatically it will add into the card. Okay, so to do the search functionality, first you need to connect your shopping trolley with your system. Okay, with your Android application. To do the same, first you need to click to connect with trolley button. Okay, you have to click on this button. Once you click, you need to scan the QR code, whatever trolley QR code is there, so you need to scan. Okay, so first I'll show you the things. See, uh, this is the node MCU. Okay, and this is the RFID tag. Okay, and this is the motor. Okay, which we are considering it is the tobacco product lock. Okay, so just like I have hang some wine. Okay, so it is we are indicating or we are presenting like key this is a locker. Okay, locker, we are assuming this is the locker, and once user scan their age and gender, then only it will get open. Okay, so as of now it's locked. Okay, we are assuming. Okay, and we have some tag. So with tag we are considering as a like this is a home theater, this is a Philips. Okay, Philips dryer. Okay, okay, so like that we are assuming because we can't take a real product, right? So first we need to scan the QR code of trolley. Okay, so we are assuming this is our trolley. Okay, so there is a QR code there. Okay, yeah, so first you need to scan this with your Android application to add. Okay, so see I have scanned and it got it is now asking for the confirmation, right? Okay, whether do you want to connect with the trolley or not. If you click S and then you add the products into the trolley, then only it will add into this particular user checkout. Okay, so as of now you can see there is nothing, right? So now see now let's tap some tags. Okay, uh, see this is the RFID reader. Okay, and these are the tags. Okay, as of now don't know there is something happened with my RFID tag. Okay, it is not working, but till morning it was working fine, but don't know now it is not reading the tag. Okay, so I need to purchase new one. Okay, but yeah, it was working fine. And let me show you the functionality. Okay, so I'll just make it set the particular tag ID from here. Okay, see this is the tag ID. So based on this tag ID, we are validating ki whether it is home theater or like that product name. Okay, so I'll just make directly changes here. Okay, instead of tapping, see tap is not working as of now because there is some issue with this RFID tag. Okay, till morning reader it was working fine, but due to some electricity issue it got short. Okay, so that's why it's not working. I have ordered new one, so it will work fine, but the functionality will be the same. I'm just showing the functionality. Okay, so see so we are just assuming ki this is a tab. Okay, which we are tapping. Okay, and and see this is the particular card. Okay, so now I'm just assuming ki I have tabbed into the particular into just a second. Okay, into particular tab reader, RFID reader. Okay, and I'm just assuming ki just tab. Okay, so see, as I have just changed the data from Firebase, the particular card item automatically got refreshed, right? So see, as you can, I have not done anything. It is automatically refreshed and automatically item added. Okay, and similarly, suppose now I am again tapping something like I want to add a Philips, so I'm just tapping or adding the Philips product into my basket. I'm assuming. Okay, so let me just put the ID. Okay, it will automatically update in your system. Okay, so see, as I just added the ID, so it got automatically refreshed, right? So this way it is working, or it is working like that. Okay, then user can do checkout. Okay, so it is automatically connect. It got connected your trolley with your Android application, and as you just tapping the card into the RFID reader, it will automatically add the card item into your Android application card. Okay, so like that it is working. So this was the part for the uh, particular shopping thing. Okay, so now let's assume ki user wants some tobacco product. Okay, ki they want some tobacco product, so which is got logged inside this particular. Okay, so first user need to scan their face. Okay, see, there is a software which I have implemented, this one. This is the software. Just let me put it here. Okay, and this one here. See, this is the software. So this is a Python application which is implemented in much CNN algorithm, every deep learning. Okay, which is scanning the user face, gender, and age. Okay, I have given the authority to more than, if age is more than 20, then user can automatically valid for the particular tobacco product. Otherwise, not. Okay. So let me just run the code, the machine learning code. Okay, so see, it is getting done. Okay. I have saved your money. Ki I have instead of using another node MCU, I have directly integrated the servo motor inside this node MCU. Otherwise, you need to buy new one, so it will cost you. Okay, so instead I have just added. Okay, so let's select the, see, there are three modes I have given. Either you can provide an image, video, or camera. Okay, for just demo purpose. Okay, so let me choose the camera. So as you select the camera in the software part. Okay, you just see, so it will automatically start the camera and it will start recognizing you. So as you can see, it is showing me I am in between 25 to 32, which is correct, right? So as you can see now, just as you see, now I am valid, right? So if you can see, motor is automatically getting rotate. Okay, so if you have observed or not, but yeah, it got rotated. So let me show you one more time. Okay, this time you just observe the motor. Okay, you just observe the motor. शायद ये पकड़ता क्या, ये ऐसे पकड़ना, सी motor. हाँ. Just observe the motor, it will automatically rotate. We are assuming कि this is opening the door like that. Okay, so let me just scan my face. So you just observe the motor. Okay, see, it got automatically rotated, right? So this way we are assuming key, if user valid, then it will automatically open the gate. Okay, and then you can just take this particular wine product, and then you can tap into this particular RFID reader, and it will then automatically item will add into this particular your card. Okay, see, as once you tap the particular uh, RFID particular wine tag, okay, into the RFID reader, so what will happen, it will automatically add the product, just like let me show you. Okay, let me change the time. See, it will just automatically add the product like this. Okay, so this way it is working. Okay, so yeah, and then you can do the checkout, and you can do the complete e-commerce functionality into the application. Okay, you can rate the order, you can can check the pending orders, everything. Okay, so this way we have done the your system. Okay, do let me know in case any doubt or anything. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.